Hey, before you see this video, I made a mistake at the beginning. I was reading some stuff on CSX, so before the train got there, I said there's a CSX train coming when actually it's a Norfolk Southern train coming. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Well, we have a CSX double stack coming. Actually has a lot of empty containers, not for another 10 minutes or so, but check this out. First time I've ever seen this. Fire on the tracks. That's pretty cool. Well, as you can see, it's starting to snow again. Not real heavy, but it's starting to come down now. Pretty long double stack train. Actually, there was just a few containers and a lot of empties, and pretty neat seeing the fire on that turnout switch there to the siding. And I think that's going to do it here from Gainesville, Virginia. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rail.